How teenagers make $1,000 a week from their phones. No job needed. Teens are making $1,000 a week straight from their phones. No job, no boss, no scam courses. Here are 4 real ways you can start today. Use Canva or CapCut to sell thumbnails, edits, or captions. Post gigs on Fiverr or DM small creators. Each job pays $20, $50, do a few a day, and boom, $500 plus a week. Find underpriced sneakers, gadgets, or clothes, resell them online. $10, $30 flips equals $300 profit. Do that weekly, and you're already halfway to $1 Kelvin. Design t-shirts in Canva. Upload to Printful or Redbubble. 1 viral TikTok equals dozens of sales. Passive money while you sleep. Record short reviews of trending gadgets or apps. Drop affiliate links in bio. Every sale earns you cash. Easy, fun, and perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You won't hit $1 Kelvin overnight, but stay consistent, and you will. Like this video, subscribe for more Teen Money hacks, and comment which hustle you'll try first. Your phone is your business. Start today.